Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you a little DIY how I fixed this peacock chair that I am sitting down on. Now it's the first time that I restored a chair like this one, so I had a little trial and error thing, but it turned out pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe for occasional DIYs. Okay you guys, so we're gonna wash our chair. It's a little dirty. As you can see, we're gonna try to get rid of these things here. It's like bird poop. So here we have a soapy water solution. And now we're gonna rinse it off. Dirty. A lot of dirt came out. So we took the chair from the wet spot there to a dry one right over here so that it dries out faster. And then I am taking out all of these like black rubber things with some sweet tweezers. They're dried and so they don't really look pretty, so I'm taking them off. I bought these beading cords. They're elastic and they're gonna replace some of these here like this. Oh my gosh, this is really bright white, but we'll see how it looks. So this is the spray paint that we found for wood, and that's what we're going to use on the chair. As you can see, it looks really nice. I think we did a great job. We looked at it from far away. It's perfect. So this is where it's been spray painted at, right here, and not here. Really nice. So we're just gonna do that with all the chair, everywhere, just all of it. So we're all finished with it. These little white things, that's what the spray created, so I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. Okay, so here we are again, you guys. We spray painted this chair, but I am going to go over it with this wood finish. It's a stain, and I also found this like little side table that I think looks really cute together with this one. And this one has already been stained, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the chair. Because even though I put this spray coat on it, you can still see it's not shiny, and I would like it to be a little shiny. So this is kind of like water, and I hope it doesn't really stain my floor, but we'll find out. You know what? It looks like there's still a little bit on the bottom, so I'm going to keep on mixing. And then I'm just going to take this paintbrush that is very soft, and I'm just going to go all over it like that. That looks beautiful. too, so you can kind of see the difference right here from here and here. Okay, so pretty much this is the final product. I am very, very happy with it. As you can see, it looks really good. So this is the little side table. I finished it with the wood stain, same color as this one. As you can see, they kind of don't look exactly the same. Their take was different on the color, slightly. And then this is a chair, and you see how it kind of like light? That's how shiny it is right here. So take the reflection. You see that? So pretty. Okay, so once again, what I did is I replaced some of the broken string that it had with this back here. And then I also added this. The ones that were here and here were completely destroyed. Back here, I didn't do much right here. I should get like a little cushion or something. Then same thing back here. I also added those along. It was really bad. And then some of these were broken off, so I had to hot glue them down to the chair. And that's pretty much it.